It's raining. The sun smiles, making the river warm and bright. Little drops jump from the river, floating up to the sky. Small drops of water get together and become clouds. More drops come, making the cloud heavy and gray. Grandma wind blows, pushing the cloud here and there. The cloud baby sneezes, and drops start to fall. Drops hold hands, making rain threads drift down. Grass looks up, drinking the rain happily. Flowers open their mouths, holding rain on petals. Chicks hide under the roof, watching rain with curiosity. Raindrops run together, making a little stream. Sun comes out, painting a rainbow bridge in sky. Rain returns to river, waiting for next journey. Baby asks, "Will rain come again?" Mom smiles, "Yes,